Standard Time. At 6:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Hanson, Cabarrus, Davidson, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 569 has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Hanson, Cabarrus, Davidson, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. Here is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of Mecklenburg County through 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 7 miles south of uptown Charlotte, or near South Park Mall, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include uptown Charlotte, Huntersville, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, Matthews, and Pineville. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Conditions are favorable for development of a very brief, weak tornado. Be prepared to take immediate action if a tornado is sighted or a tornado warning is issued. These are the 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the Charlotte metropolitan area on Friday, November 11th. At Charlotte Douglas International Airport, heavy rain was falling. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 68, and the relative humidity 96%. The wind was east at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.77 inches and falling. At Gastonia, heavy rain was falling. The temperature was